Where you been, man? Shouldn't you be in class?
Yeah, I should be. My alarm clock didn't go off again.
Dude, that's like the third time this week.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but my alarm clock just refuses to behave lately.
Well, why don't you just get a new one?
What's my alarm clock doing?
I don't know. I've never seen it act like that before.
Can you hand me your water bottle?
Sure.
I think they're in love.
I've seen weirder. Come on, let's get some lunch.
Alright. What's that? They must have had a baby.
Yeah, and it's full of water, too.
This thing doesn't even have batteries. It must run on water.
Dude, that's the coolest alarm clock I've ever seen. No batteries or plugs. Saves electricity, too.
Man, I'm gonna use this alarm clock every day. I mean, electricity fails sometimes, but water is just very reliable. You guys should be proud.